In the last period, we have learned that there are various kinds of poems in English language. That is the ode. Ode means the poem which is written in praise of someone is called the ode. And the poem which is written in praise of someone and long narrative poem, that is called the ballad. And the poem which is written to express the feelings and emotions of the someone, that is called the lyric. Today we are learning you start dying slowly. The function of this poem is to extend the boundaries of heart and soul of human beings. The function of this poem is to purify the heart and soul of human beings. The poet wants to suggest, the poet wants to give a message to all of us so that we can progress in our life. And if we want to develop and if we want to enlighten the path of our life, we must follow some rules and regulations in the life. And if you don't follow the rules and regulations, if you work hard, you will pass the examination, and if you don't work hard, you will not pass the examinations. Unless you work hard, you will not pass the examination. It means working hard is the condition of the life. And there are some conditions. We should follow all these conditions so that we may live happily in this world. And the real happiness lies in the happiness of the other's happiness. Our parents advises us, our teacher advises us. In that manner, the poet is advising you that number one, the one condition is that if you do not study well, what will happen? You will fail in the examination. Second one, if you wake up late on the working day, then you will not complete your performance. If you do not exercise regularly, what will happen? If you do not exercise regularly, you will suffer from the many problems. If you eat too much of junk food, what will happen? And if you eat junk food, that your body will not perform well. You will be weak, or you will become fat. And that's why in the life we have to follow various kinds of rules. Our diet must be proper. We must get up early in the morning. We should take care of our wear and tear of our body. We should take care of our health. And in this way, and if you don't take care of our health, and if you don't get up early in the morning, the poet thinks that you start dying slowly. You start dying slowly, it means dying slowly. It means you are losing hopes. You are losing hopes of a happy future. In the first stanza, the poet is telling you that if you do not travel, if you do not read, the poet advises you that you should travel from one place to another place so that you can understand what is going on in the world. You have to read, and if you do not read, what will happen? You will not prosper, you will not progress yourself, you will not become intelligent. If you do not listen to the sounds of life, if you do not appreciate yourself, we have to appreciate what is good and what is bad in the life, what is right and what is wrong in the life, which qualities we have to progress ourselves. That is, in this way, you try to appreciate your life, yourself, and if you don't appreciate yourself, then you start dying slowly. Thank you.